In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the AND function in Google Sheets to test multiple conditions at once, so you can build smarter, cleaner spreadsheets that work for you. The AND function is one of those tools that once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever managed your data without it, because it acts like a strict gatekeeper, only returning a true result when every single condition you set is met. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's begin by understanding exactly what the AND function does, and why it's such a game changer for your workflow. At its core, the AND function in Google Sheets allows you to evaluate multiple logical conditions within a single formula, and it returns true only if every single one of those conditions is true. If even one condition fails, it returns false. Think of it like a checklist that you have to tick every box on before you get the green light. This is incredibly useful because it eliminates the need for messy, deeply nested if formulas that are hard to read and even harder to troubleshoot. Instead of writing a long, complicated formula that checks one condition inside another, you can simply list all your requirements in a clean, logical string using AND. For example, you might want to automatically flag a project as overdue, only if the deadline has passed and the status is not marked complete. Without AND, you'd have to write multiple if statements strung together, which is a recipe for errors. With AND, you combine both checks into one elegant condition. Now, let's walk through how to write a basic standalone AND formula that you can use right away in your own sheet. The syntax is straightforward. You start with an equal sign, type AND, and then open parentheses. Inside those parentheses, you list your logical expressions, separated by commas. Each logical expression is simply a test that returns either true or false. For instance, if you wanted to check whether a value in cell A2 is greater than 10, and whether the text in cell B2 is exactly yes, your formula would look like this: equals AND, open parentheses, A2 greater than 10, comma, B2 equals yes in double quotes, close parentheses. That formula will return true only if both conditions are true at the same time. If A2 is 15 and B2 says yes, you get true. If A2 is 5 but B2 says yes, you get false because the first condition failed. This is incredibly powerful for data validation, such as checking if an order is both over a certain dollar amount and marked as shipped before you send a confirmation email. A common pitfall here is forgetting to use quotation marks around text values. If you write B2 equals yes without quotes, Google Sheets will think yes is a named range or a cell reference, and your formula will break. Always enclose text strings in double quotes, and use numeric values or cell references as they are. Let's take this a step further and see how the AND function really shines when you combine it with other functions, especially the if function. This is where you move from simply testing conditions to taking actions based on those results. The typical pattern is equals if, open parentheses, and, with your conditions, comma, then the value you want if true, comma, then the value you want if false. For example, to create that overdue flag I mentioned earlier, you might write equals if, open parentheses, and, open parentheses, C2 is less than today, comma, D2 does not equal complete, close the and, comma, overdue in quotes, comma, on track in quotes, close the if. This formula checks if the date in cell C2 is in the past by comparing it to the today function, and it checks if the status in D2 is not complete. If both are true, the cell displays overdue. If either condition is false, it displays on track. This is a classic example of using AND as a quality gatekeeper, ensuring an action is only triggered when all necessary conditions are perfectly aligned. A practical tip here is to use cell references for your conditions whenever possible, rather than hard-coding values, because that makes your sheet dynamic. If you change a date or a status, the formula automatically recalculates without you needing to edit the formula itself. One mistake beginners often make is nesting too many AND conditions inside a single if. While AND can handle multiple conditions, keep it readable by limiting yourself to 3 or 4 criteria per AND. If you need more, consider using a helper column to break the logic into manageable pieces. Finally, let's explore a few real-world scenarios that will cement your understanding and show you just how versatile this function is. Imagine you run a sales team and you want to give a bonus only to salespeople who met their quarterly target and have no unresolved customer complaints. Your formula might be equals if and target met is true, complaints count equals 0, then bonus, else review. Or maybe you're managing inventory and you need to reorder a product only if the stock level is below 20 and the product is still active. Your formula would check both conditions and return reorder if both are true. The beauty of the AND function is that it scales with your needs. You can also combine it with other logical functions like OR, where AND requires all conditions to be true and OR requires at least one. For example, you could write equals if and condition 1, condition 2, Oregon, condition 3, condition 4. This is advanced, but it shows how AND acts as a building block for complex decision making. A best practice is to always test your AND formula with sample data where you manually know the expected output. Enter a few rows where you are certain every condition is true and a few where one condition is false. Then check that your formula returns true and false correctly. This simple test saves hours of debugging down the line. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to use the AND function in Google Sheets to test multiple conditions with a single clean formula. By mastering this tool, you can build tracking systems, dashboards, and reports that automatically flag important data, saving you time and reducing errors. My advice is to start small. Open a blank sheet, type in a few numbers and text entries, and practice writing a standalone AND formula. Then combine it with IF to take action based on those results. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark it in your watch later list. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.